Hello, brothers, sisters, you're Okodo. So I'm in Winneba in the central region of Ghana, and today's recipe is one traditional food we have in Ghana, especially for the Akan tribe. This is called AMPESI, and we'll be using plantain and taro leaves or cocoyam leaves, locally known as Kontomire, to prepare the dip or the sauce. Very nutritious food, and if you are someone lacking iron in your body or in your blood, this food is recommended for you. With basic ingredients, you can prepare this amazing dish. So we went to the local market to get our ingredients. It was beautiful seeing the market settings and everything, and also really fun negotiating or bargaining for the price. After that.
Two about a five.
You're Kontomire. What's it?
About a five.
No. I don't know what's name. It's like 15.
Hey. Amanda. Hey, did I Hey! Oh, yeah, madam. Madam, and so I'm going to know.
I want to see you. The food to see you.
Oh, yeah,
Back to my roots here, so this is my home, this is where I was born and raised. Anyway, yeah, where I'm sitting here right now, I've been sitting here for ages. Yeah, I'm trying to make the soakings, you know, fish scuba, the soakings, and you have had the better now. Okay, so we have kako salted meat, fish, salted fish, already 5 cedis, which is, I need to convert tomatoes 2 cedis. Fish, you know, 12 cedis, so 24 cedis of the fish. Then the plantain cost a friend 8 cedis. Kontomire 5 cedis. This is 2 cedis. Then the pepper is 1 cedis. It's in a total of you get it to 50 cedis here. It's 50 cedis sent to me the correct is right. Wow. Wow. It's basically, you know, yeah, AMPESI, Kontomire, the original Kontomire still, you know, you're there the boil into the fish, you know, I will boil Kontomire. You're spinach, that spinach need you, spinach here. Yeah. Yeah. Mark Rusuni.
I want to know.
I'm in the moment. Mayo. Yeah, so this is how we prepare our food. Yeah, it goes on top of fire, and you know. So as I was saying, this is the proper way, the authentic way to do that. Say hi.
Hi. Tomatoes na me dey go no. Say na be your onion there achu ne there na
raw them okay.
Alba. Ese la mio copione. Ese la mio
Yeah, so as I said, this homemade cooking. Homemade cooking, forget gas. Kopot. The sanka. Yeah. The sanka puyoyo. If truly you want a friend something look like in the sanka, you can't do a bomb without a sanka. Yeah. So this green liquid from the Kontomire is something that you can't throw it away. Beneficial. So she's what is the bed then? Oh, the steaming namano. Home sweet home. Like I'm a fear certain things one way. Just look at this. Yeah, it's no. And I know what to turn it, but still no do steam home. Difference or local and Yamaru.
Kontomire fresh pa. See no so no. Then you want a green pa. See imagine a hozuna benya when you eat this one.
The Brazilian nani? Hey, no, you see this no?
Garnishing, whatever kind of.
I like garnishing.
Yeah, garnishing the
It's no Arubana Obano, yeah, I am a former room here. None yet, Bianca. You have an open one. I forgot one call.
fresh onion fresh. Abonu kodono ye you cut
And so this really more okay. Okay.
Yes, a couple.
Yeah.
Local couple.
I'm quite everybody can care no. Your dog your friend Kobe. That day you could be friendly. And so I can browse near one, and browse nearby. And so you who browse no soap. Papi. Yeah, then Kontomire stew na bomuno with plantain, that baby. Ebusia, na be like ebusen chemfa, obiam ka fani plate biamba. Yeah, chamere go round wadi surrounding, I be surrounding in fi kill as a very quick wadi. Into haya.
I will let I didn't from more than more buy on your dinner. Vania yedi, Mobia Yanoho and Fasupa, Onyanka Kaipa Maya.
baby a BBA free, for more than BBA Sonko, but baby a mini wash as in a baby or leave. More than just a video, but it should go viral. Any episode would meet.
Amen.
I
make some mix. I call the family garden. You are AMPESI.
Yeah, locally.
So if this is the first time watching, can you share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother? Cooking with Sindaco, let's promote African food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. Or let's do this.
Oye, come on. Pocho is one or two then. Yeah. Yeah. Kakunu flavor ni now.
Vegetables in the stock meaning I see a part of it.
Yeah. Yeah, Kontomire no hun sini na aka ho.
Yeah, vegetables inside, sorry.
Yeah. Half cooked. Yeah.
Nutrients meaning now is intact.
Orokodo.
The mess rules. Some person may disika come my door for and I'm a bushing for our Ghana. May the fat tap sing.
This is tap. And the best so far.
I don't see some yes, and this coffee na a tap.
Tap send will be out we are down the up now. Carrot master for African countries to be.
And the reason I changed over to then.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve secured experience. I've never had any issue.
Tap sing and no one abotre for you na ya jiatum. Tap sing. Papa no.